Welcome to today's math tutorial. We're covering perimeter and area, key concepts that help us understand the space around and within shapes. Ready to get started? Let's start with perimeter. What exactly is the perimeter of a shape?
The perimeter is the total distance around the boundary of a shape. Imagine you're walking around a field. Your total walking distance would be the perimeter.
And how do we find the perimeter?
For shapes like rectangles and squares, you add the lengths of all sides. For example, if a rectangle is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters, you'd add 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which equals 16 centimeters. For polygons, we add up each side's length to get the perimeter.
Moving on to area, how is area different from perimeter?
While the perimeter measures the outer boundary, the area measures the surface inside a shape. It tells us how much space is covered within the shape's boundaries.
How do we calculate the area of basic shapes?
For a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. So, if a rectangle is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters, the area is 5 times 3, which equals 15 square centimeters. For a square, you just multiply one side by itself.
I've heard that half squares can help in finding the area. How does that work?
Great question. When a shape doesn't neatly fit into whole squares, we can estimate the area using half squares. For example, if a shape covers 5 full squares and 4 half squares, you'd count each half as 0.5, so the total area would be 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 square units.
So it's about combining full and half squares to get an accurate measurement?
Exactly. This method is especially helpful with irregular shapes, or when working with grid paper.
Where might we use perimeter and area in real life?
We use perimeter when putting up fences, measuring borders, or framing pictures. Area is used for things like calculating the amount of paint needed for a wall, planting a garden, or laying down carpet in a room.
Perimeter and area are practical tools that help us measure and understand space. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials. See you next time for more math insights.